Good morning, my dear students. Everything you can get here according to the new syllabus for the academic year 2020-21. Fifth chapter for class 10 is arithmetic progressions. Here, example 5.3, number 4 is how many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give a sum 663. For this purpose, only one formula will be used. It is Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So the AP is 9, 17, 25 and so on. Here the first term a equal to 9, common difference d equal to 17 minus 9 or 25 minus 17, it is 8. Question is how many terms of the AP must be taken to give a sum 636. So sum of n term is 636. So Sn equal to 636. In place of Sn we will write n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 636, or this implies that it will be n by 2. We can put the value of a and d. In place of a we will write 9 and in place of d we will write 8 equal to 636. So it will be n by 2. 2 into 9 is 18 plus 8n minus 8 equal to 636, or this implies that n by 2, 8n is 8n, 10 minus 18 minus 8 is 10 equal to 636, or this implies that n by 2, taking 2 as the common factor, we will get 2 into in the bracket 4n plus 5 equal to 636, or this implies that 2 and 2 will be cancelled. It is n into 4n plus 5. n into 4n is 4n square. n into 5 is 5n. And when 636 moves to LHS, it will be negative. Minus 636 equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation with variable n. We can use quadratic formula or factorize or completing square. By any process it can be solved. Let's use the quadratic formula to find the value of n. So n equal to, quadratic formula is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then x equal to minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Using that formula, it will be minus 5 plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac. So it will be 5 square minus 4 into c is minus 636. By 2a, it will be 2 into 4. So minus 5 plus minus root over of 5 square is 25. And minus it will be plus. 4 into 4 is 16. And 16 into 636 we have to find. 636 into 16. 16 into 6 is 96, carry is 9. 16 into 3 is 48, 48 plus 9 is 57. And 16 into 6 is 96 plus 5 is 66 plus 5 is 101. The 96 plus 5 is 101. So 10176 it will be 10176 by 2 into 4 is 8. Let's erase this. Now it will be minus 5 plus minus root over of 25 plus 10176, it will be 10201 by 8. Minus 5 plus minus root over, we have to find the root over of 10201. How much it is? It is 101 by 8. So n equal to minus 5 plus 101 by 8. 101 minus 5 is 96 by 8. It will be 12, and another n is minus 5 minus 101 by 8 is minus 106 by 8. It is negative and also a fraction, so it is not acceptable. So the final answer is, and only 12 is acceptable for the value of n, because always the number of terms is a counting number or a natural number. So we can write the final answer. So 12 term of this AP must be taken to give a sum of 636. Next question is, first term of an AP is 5. So we can write the first term A equal to 5. And the last term is 45. So the last term L or AN is 45, and sum is, means sum of n terms of this AP is 400. Find the number of terms, means we have to find n, and also the common difference, also we have to find D. We know the formula that Sn equal to n by 2 into A plus L, first term plus last term. This is first term and this is last term, and it is n by 2. So Sn equal to n by 2 into A plus L. Using the values of Sn, A and L, we can get the value of n. So let's put here Sn equal to 400 equal to n by 2, A is 5 and last term is 45. So this implies that 400 equal to n by 2 into 50, or this implies that 400 into, when 2 moves towards this side it will be multiplied, and 50 moves towards this side, then it will be divided, equal to n. 400 by 50 is 8 into 2 is 16 equal to n, or n equal to 16. So this AP contains 16 terms, and now we have to find D. Putting all this value in this equation, we can get the value of D, that is AN equal to 45, or this implies that A plus n minus 1 into D equals to 45. A is how much? It is 5 plus n is 16 minus 1 into D is 45, or 16 minus 1 is into D equal to 45 minus 5 is 40, or this implies that 16 minus 1 is 15, D is equal to 40, or this implies that D equal to 40 by 15. It is, when you cancel 5 and 5 from numerator and denominator, it will be 8 by 3. Now we can write the final answer that the AP contains 16 terms and common difference is 8 by 3. Okay. Next number is number 6. The first term and last term of an AP are 17 and 350 respectively. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? We have to find number of terms n and sum of n terms. So it is given that the first term a equal to 17 and the last term a n is 350. Also it is given that the common difference d equal to 9. We have to find how many terms are there. Means we have to find n equal to how much and sum of all terms. So an equal to 350, it is given an equal to 350. This implies that in place of an we can write a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 350. So it will be, in place of a we can write 17 plus n minus 1 into d is 9 equal to 350. So this implies that n minus 1 into 9 equal to 350 minus 70. 350 minus 17 is 333. 50 minus 17 is 33 and 3 is 3 here. So n minus 1 equal to 333 by 9. 9 3s are 27. 33 minus 27 is 33 minus 23 27 is 6. So it will be 63 by 9 is 7. So 333 by 9 is 37. So n equal to 37 plus 1 is 38. So there are 38 terms in this AP. Now we have to find Sn. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So the AP contains 38 terms. So Sn we have to write here as 38. So it will be 38 by 2 into 2a. In place of a we will write 17 plus n minus 1, 38 minus 1 into d each, d is how much? D is 9 into d. So 38 by 2 is 19. 2 into 17 is 34. 38 minus 1 is 37 into 9. So it will be 19 into 37 into 9. We have to multiply this. 37 into 9. 9 7s are 63. 9 3s are 27 plus 6 is 33. So it will be 34 plus 333. So 19 into 4 plus 3 is 7. 3 plus 3 is 6 and 3 is 3. So 19 into 367 or 367 into 19. 9 7s are 63. Carry is 6. 9 6s are 54 plus 6 is 60. Carry is 6. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 6 is 33. And also multiplying with 1, it will be 3 6 7. So 3 7 9 6 6 9 7 3 each. Final answer 6 9 7 3. So sum of n terms here is 6 9 7 3 and the AP contains 38 terms. So my dear students, whenever you want to write, please pause the video and write this, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and also share in groups and also click on the notification button so that every time I upload a video you can get it immediately. Thank you.